Today we're going to be unboxing the Ryobi One Plus impact driver. So this particular model is the 3-speed version, also comes with triple LEDs. So it's not the bottom of the range one, but it's not the brushless top of the range either. Got the driver, of course, user manual, a couple of included bits, and some false hope. It's the manual, nothing special. Take a look at the bits included. So we've got a Phillips head bit, as well as a socket adapter. We'll open up the unit itself. The grip has pretty good quality feel, better than some of the entry-level One Plus items. Forward and reverse, of course. As soon as you squeeze the trigger, the LEDs come on. So it's got the quick release collar, so just slide the bit in and pull it out for the release. So as I was saying, this is the 3-speed model with the speed selector on the back. Magnetic tray for keeping screws, bolts on the front. There's also a holster or holder on the front for the bits themselves, just like most of the Ryobi One Plus range. Overall, looking forward to putting this one to use over the coming weeks and months. Feels like a solid unit. It's the Ryobi One Plus impact driver, the 3-speed model. Hope that you enjoy. Remember to hit like and subscribe.